How to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for TikTok. Make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok application on your device. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version. So we're going to go back, and on the home screen you can see the TikTok application over here. So just make a long press on the TikTok application over here. Then tap on app info, and as you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data. So tap on it, then clear cache, and then tap on OK. After that, you can simply tap on app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here so that you do not have any issues like this one, like unable to authorize and so on. So just give that access to all these options and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.